Welcome all viewers, my name is Muvumbo and I'm going to present to you a topic entitled Simultaneous Equation using the Finch's rule. This Finch's rule, it is new in the system, which uses to solve the two mathematical simultaneous equations which has got two variables. So in this chapter you are going to learn on how to find the x and the y and variables. Let's get started. Formula when using simultaneous equation using Finch's rule. To start with, we have the example there, example 1. Solve the system of simultaneous equation below, which is x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to 6. Okay, so as I said, this is a system of linear equation we use to solve linear equations of two variables. So we have the variable of x and the variable of y. However, we have something that looks like this: ax plus by is equal to c, dx plus ey is equal to f. So this system of linear equation on top, it's not different from the example that we've been given. So here we are going to write a formula on how to find the value of x and y. Okay, so the variables a, b, c, d up to f represents the numbers that are not known. So in our equation here, a, it is representing 1 and the b is also representing 1. So you just get the coefficient of the variable. Okay, so how do you find the formula when finding the value of x? So the first of all, what you have to do, you need to write x is equal to, you get bf multiply b times f, then again multiply e times c, then you divide by bd minus ae. Okay, so why are we doing this? So bf, you multiply these two, then you subtract ec, then you divide by bd minus ae. So after you've done that, that's when you're going to find the value of x. So let's try to solve this one, the value of x, using the formula that we've been given. So let's collect the data first, of which our data, we are going to have a, which is 1, b, which is 1 as well, c is equal to 4, d is equal to 1, e is equal to -1, and f is equal to 6. Okay, so we are going to get our formula there, which is x is equal to bf minus ce divided by bd minus ae. From there now, we are just going to fix in where there's b, you put the value of b, where there's f, you put the value of f, where there's c, you put the value of c, where there's e, you put the value of e, and so on and so forth, like the way it has been shown there. So we have 1 multiplied by 6, then minus 4 multiplied by -1, divided by 1 times 1 minus 1 times -1. So if you multiply 1 times 6, that is 6, minus 1 times -1 is -4. So 6 minus -4, that is going to give you 10. So you're going to have 6 plus 4 over 1 plus 1, which is equal to be 10 over 2. So the value of x is equal to what? Is equal to 5. Okay, so we've learned on how to find the value of x using the Cramer's rule. Let's also look out how to find the value of y using the same Cramer's rule. So we are going to formulate the formula on how to find the value of y. And our formula here, we have ax plus by is equal to c. Then we have dx plus ey is equal to f. So in this one, you are going to start with the variables, the coefficient of x multiplied with the answers there. So as you can see, the arrows there, you have a, you're going to multiply it with f, minus d, you're going to multiply it with c. So the denominator for an x value and the denominator for y value remains the same. The only thing that changes it is the numerator on top. So you're going to have your y is equal to cd minus af divided by bd minus AE. Let's try to find the value of y now from the same example that we are given. Okay, so we collect the data as well, like the way we did the previous one when we are finding the value of x. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 4, d is equal to 1, e is equal to -1, and f is equal to 6. So you get your formula there and you just fill in accordingly. So the value of c, which is 4, you put 4 there. The value of d, which is 1, you put 1 minus 1, then multiply by 6. So from there, when you multiply 4 times 1, that is 4, minus 1 times 6, that is 6. So you're going to have 4 minus 6 divided by 1 times 1, which is 1, minus 1 times -1, which is -1. So negative times negative, you're going to have what? A positive answer. So you're going to have y is equal to -2 divided by 2, of which when you divide, you're going to find that the value of y is equal to what? Is equal to 1. Okay, thank you very much. This is the end of the presentation.